What are the best tips for men's bladder health? When it comes to men's bladder health, there are several important tips that can help maintain optimal function and reduce the risk of complications. First and foremost, staying hydrated is crucial. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and bacteria from the bladder, which can lower the risk of infections. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water daily, but adjust based on your activity level and climate. Next, practicing proper urination habits is essential. Try to urinate every 3 to 4 hours to prevent overstretching the bladder muscles. When you do go, take your time to fully empty your bladder. Rushing can leave urine behind, which increases the risk of infections. Relaxing your pelvic muscles while urinating can also help ensure complete emptying. Regular exercise is another key factor in maintaining bladder health. Physical activity not only supports bladder control but also helps prevent constipation, which can negatively impact bladder function. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. Pelvic floor muscle exercises, commonly known as Kegel exercises, can also be beneficial. Strengthening these muscles improves bladder control and can help prevent leakage during activities like coughing or sneezing. Diet plays a significant role in bladder health as well. Focus on a bladder-friendly diet that includes high-fiber foods, antioxidants, and lean proteins. Foods like berries, broccoli, and kale are great choices. On the other hand, try to limit or avoid bladder irritants such as caffeine, alcohol, spicy foods, and citrus juices, as they can increase urgency and irritation. Good hygiene practices are vital too. Wearing loose-fitting clothing and breathable cotton underwear can help reduce moisture and bacterial growth. After using the toilet, remember to wipe from front to back to prevent bacteria from entering the urethra. Urinating shortly after sexual activity can also help flush out any bacteria. It's important to avoid smoking, as it is a major risk factor for bladder cancer. Limiting alcohol consumption can also support bladder health. Additionally, be aware of any medications you are taking, as some can affect bladder function. If you notice any urinary symptoms, such as increased urgency or pain, it's best to consult a healthcare provider. Lastly, if you experience persistent symptoms like frequent urination or blood in your urine, seek medical advice promptly. By following these tips, men can take proactive steps to support their bladder health and reduce the risk of complications. Remember, maintaining good bladder health is an essential part of overall well-being.